Hello, my name is Stephanie Barnett. I'm the head of the School of Civil Engineering and Surveying at the University of Portsmouth, and I'm making this recording to tell you about the MSc courses in our school. I'm going to start by saying a little bit about what we're about as a university, and then tell you about these courses and some of the activities that you'll take part in if you join the courses. At Portsmouth, and particularly for more vocational courses like ours, our aim is to help you realise your potential and achieve your ambition. This is about giving you a fantastic experience during your course, as you can see from some of our key statistics here. It is also about giving you the broader skills that you need to get to where you want to be at the end of your course. The percentage of graduates working or in further study 6 months after graduation tells you how we're doing at this. Studying civil engineering or surveying gives you an opportunity to enhance your career prospects and make a difference to your local or even the global built environment. Studying these subjects at Portsmouth gives you access to expert staff, a wide range of support services, and opportunities to get involved in our research. I joined the School of Civil Engineering and Surveying in 2010, and I think one of its greatest strengths is a body of staff from a wide range of different backgrounds. There are people like me who went to university at 18 and never left, and there are people who've joined us after working in industry. This means we can bring teaching to life with real-world examples while also supporting the development of academic and study skills. For us as a School of Civil Engineering and Surveying, one of the key things you will see here is our open door policy. Staff are friendly and flexible in supporting students outside of the classroom or lab. You will be able to knock on a lecturer's door or email them anytime you have a question, and you will often see staff stopped in a corridor chatting to students. We see students and staff as partners. If you need extra support, your personal tutor will be there to help you get back on track and to signpost support services across the university, such as our Academic Skills Unit and our Student Wellbeing Service. Many staff in the school are active researchers, and there are opportunities to get involved in our research, particularly through your dissertation module. Our research is mainly focused in environmental technology, building performance, materials and structural monitoring. In our environmental technology research group, there is growing research in the area of microplastics in the environment, led by Faye, who is pictured here. You may even have seen her in the press, as her work is attracting a lot of interest. We offer courses in the school that span different disciplines across the civil engineering, construction and built environment sector. In civil engineering, water and environmental engineering, construction project management, building information management, quantity surveying and real estate management. Our master's courses can all be studied in full or part-time mode. Part-time learning gives you the opportunity to enhance your skills and develop your career while you are working in the industry, or if you have other commitments alongside your studies. Currently, full-time students have most of their classes on Tuesdays and Thursdays, while part-time students have classes only on one of these 2 days. All these courses accept new students in both September and January, so you can start the course at a time that suits you. Our MSc Building Information Management course is also available as a distance learning course. These 4 questions are key questions to ask at any open day, so I'm going to answer them now for each of our courses. MSc Civil Engineering covers a wide range of topics that are core to the subject of civil engineering, as you can see listed here. The course also has an optional component, and you can choose one of building information modelling, water resources, climate change, or general management. Our MSc Water and Environmental Engineering course is a new course which is built upon our research strengths in this area. Topics covered include environmental management, water engineering, waste and environmental remediation, and climate change and decarbonisation. Our MSc Construction Project Management course covers key topics related to the management of construction projects, including strategic and general management, construction management, project management tools and techniques, construction law and contracts, as well as the popular topic of building information modelling. If building information modelling is where your interest really lies, then the Building Information Management MSc is the one for you. It looks at the technology of building information modelling, but also its use within a management context. Some modules like BIM Theory and Practice will focus on learning how to use Revit and other key BIM software, while others will focus on management topics. The final module in this list, Integrated BIM Projects and Corporate Management, brings these two themes together. Our MSc courses in Quantity Surveying and Real Estate Management are both designed as conversion courses, so we'll start by looking at the technology of construction to provide a context for the rest of the course. The quantity surveyors then move on to look at all aspects of work that a quantity surveyor may take on in their career, including construction and contract management, quantity surveying practice, and measurement and tendering. Meanwhile, real estate management students will focus on broader built environment themes relating to property management, investment, appraisal, valuation, and law. All courses include a 60-credit dissertation, which provides an opportunity to study a topic of interest to you at greater depth. The dissertation is where you really get to show off your skills, and it is a way of developing further expertise relating to whichever part of the subject you are or would like to work in. We have staff in the school now whose MSc dissertation led them to a PhD and an academic post within the school. Our courses all involve a number of opportunities to work in groups. For MSc Civil Engineering and MSc Water and Environmental Engineering, this includes a design project module where you will work in a group to answer a design brief. Your work on this project may involve conceptual design, design of a structural element or foundation, design of an environmental system, and looking at the construction methods that would need to be used to make your design a reality. Your role in your group would depend on the course that you're doing as well as your own interest. For MSc Quantity Surveying and Real Estate Management, students on both these courses will work together to cultivate ideas for the development of a local site or building in the Development Design Project module. Teaching methods for each module will vary depending on the subject matter, but will include lectures where you will be in a class with all students on your course and possibly also other courses, with the lecturer guiding you through the learning. Seminars are used where we'd like to have a more personal approach with smaller classes and opportunities for discussion of the subject matter. Most of our courses also include some practical classes in laboratories or IT spaces, as well as field trips. We have a full range of laboratories to support these courses, including the Structures Laboratory and Geotechnical Laboratory that you can see in the photos here, as well as a Concrete Lab, Hydraulics Lab, and the Environmental Technology Lab. We also have a dedicated Environmental Technology Field Station, which is located at Petersfield Wastewater Treatment Works. If you study MSc Civil Engineering or Water and Environmental Engineering, you may be using one of these labs for your dissertation, as well as for some taught classes. All courses make some use of our design studio, which is set up to facilitate group work and discussion, as well as IT classrooms if the material being taught is based on software. Site visits are offered to us at local construction sites, frequently by our alumni. Recently, there have been opportunities for site visits on campus as well. The photo is of a group of students and myself. I'm the one in the blue jeans. We are standing in the new university swimming pool, part of the Ravelin Sports Centre, which is now completed and has very recently opened. We were the first students and staff to go in the pool. The group of students with me on this visit were mainly Building Information Management MSc students, so the contractor team spent some time with us, showing us the BIM model for the building and answering the students' questions before showing us around the site. We use a wide variety of assessments tailored to the nature of the subject matter, so you might be assessed using coursework assignments, presentations, exams and project work. In terms of entry requirements, you'll need a good undergraduate honours degree to enter any of these courses. For most of the courses here, your undergraduate degree needs to be relevant to your chosen course. If you're not sure that your undergraduate degree would meet the needs of the course that you're interested in, please do get in touch and we can help to guide you. Our MSc Quantity Surveying and MSc Real Estate Management courses are designed as conversion courses, so they don't assume any prior specialist knowledge. There are plenty of opportunities to work in different sectors of the industry according to your interests. Our graduates have gone on to work in roles such as those listed here: civil and structural consultancy engineers, construction managers, quantity surveyors and property valuers are just a few examples. The university checks the information given at open days to make sure it is accurate at the time of the event. It's possible that some details may change over time to reflect changes in the discipline or in the industry. We will inform applicants as soon as possible if there are any significant changes, but please refer to our website to make sure you've got the most up-to-date information. Civil engineers and surveyors change the world around them and are responsible for structures and infrastructure that will almost certainly outlive them. We in the School of Civil Engineering and Surveying hope to meet you soon and help you get started on that journey.